Pero bago tayo magsimula, huwag kalimutang i-like ang aming video, mag-subscribe sa aming channel at i-turn on ang notification bell. Now, don't forget to give us a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe.
Hello, everybody! I am here in underground. Nadre yung mga parking lot, guys. Nag-parking me dre. Naliitmang mo, guys. Sorry, guys. Ako lang intro. Matumi og grocery, guys. Pero we will see, guys, kung makapalit pa meron, guys. Kay mga late. Lagi kayong pamilya, ha, guys. We're always late.
Oh, yes.
Always late. This family always late, guys. Hi, you guys. I'm happy, guys. I have a space of my gallery now, guys. I'm gonna bring na lang my clip here, guys. So, because if I put clip here, you see inside the white hair, oh. I put na lang like that. Actually, guys, we're not going out right now. But, I want lang because the baby is bored in the house. So, we need to going out a little bit. So, like, that's it. Look at the baby. Hi, baby. Hello. You're happy now? You're going up? Huh? Are you happy? Are you going up? Huh? Look at. I don't know if you're happy. Oh, look at Benjamin. 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 Look at. Ah. Are you happy with going up? To my vlog, my love. Hello. Our driver.
Qui n'en a pas fini après.
It's good, my love, to say like that. Drive our driver. Huh? My husband. Hello. Are you fine it there? Are you happy you go out now? You're bored in the house now? I love. Say hi. Pangbuhay-buhay ning ako guys. Mugas-mugas ni. Mugas-mugas ning ako. Leclerc. Leclerc. Mugas-mugas ning ako guys. I will see if going pa to ano guys. Mugas-mugas ning ako guys. Kita kong van. No. What is that, my love? Wait, I focus my vlog here. You gonna see. Ewan ko na may kuan guys. Kanang murag yung check calculator guys. Indot siya guys. Kaya i-punch ni mo dali yung mga baligya. Kana, mo siya calculator. May kuha na sa akong ban ng gwapo.
Oh, yeah, for you are the one that have the lead there.
Nasa supermarket kami, guys. Nag-grocery may. Hi, my love.
Yeah, you're putting this.
My love.
Eh?
Hindi ko, my love, is not allow if they allow the camera here, guys, no?
What else are you not allowed? You unless
No,
when they tell you to stop, you stop. You
Ah.
just begin to do your distance.
Oh, this one, guys, like calculator, guys, but we don't have like this in the Philippines. My love, no, you never tried to have like that in Philippines when you buy some stuff there. Huh? 30 letter. Bili kami ng mga ganito, guys. Kasi gamitinin yan, guys. Gamitinin.
How many 20?
20 letter. No, the other one is like, we have pa man like that. That's Ziploc.
No, not zip. That no, it's like this.
Look at God, he can buy anything like this, but I saw it in my friend. He don't like this because very ano daw. Very spend too much money daw. That's why you don't buy like that. You're not alone, oh. Oh, hello. Kaya sunod na yun may ani guys. Utuan. Ang ba anak mo? Sige, pamalit sa akong bana. Kanin yung sa yung ginapamalitan. Ako na. Kasi akong atubangan. Sige. My love, lahat pala basket that I like here. I have money. This is what I plan to buy there. Sunod lang yun ko sa akong bana guys. Nagwapo. Di ba? You have to have husband like this, responsible. He buy everything you need. The next is, we stop here na guys. Well, we need to off a little bit. I cannot focus what I'm buy. They have detergent here.
This is when to wrap food when it is
Yeah, we go to work.
leftover. That is the one to wrap and leftover to put in the but 4 euro.
Nagsunod-sunod lang gid ko ani sa akong bana guys. Wag kita sa istorya ani guys no. Ana ra gyud ta diha. Kaya kan tao guys mao ta mo si chika diri sa sulod.
The pharmacy also is closed.
Yeah.
It's not good to come.
I need to buy that Doliprane, my medicine, guys. As my, di ba? It's nice, guys, like this, my hair. We cannot see the white here. Oh, may bago pa ba, guys? Only Leclerc in the city. Or may bago pa ba? Wala na, guys. We're going our vlog only in this Leclerc. In this city, in this town. Wala nang bago, guys. My love, they always say, you always Leclerc. You can naman go around Paris. Next time, you have baby. Always na lang Leclerc. Always in the house. Oh, may bago pa ba, guys? Always in this town. In this Leclerc. Even like this, my love, but in the camera, it's like that. It's not like that, the video. I need new tripod ba? Maybe I need to buy big. This is my job, guys. I need tripod. Because this is my job. To do video. I need new tripod. That is very important, my love ba? My love, you need to mix this one here. This is spray. Don't mix here. Maybe this. Yarin sa nato ni guys. I don't know guys no kung takilid ba niya akong pag-video guys. Magi man siguro guys ang ano lang man siguro takilid ana ang iyang tripod ba pagbutang na ako mo siguro tagilid ana. So dili siguro tagilid ang ano na guys. Dili siguro tagilid guys. Ang tagilid lang siguro ani guys. Maybe this one. Ang tagilid lang siguro ani guys no kaya akong tripod pero ang pag-film siguro kaya nakatry na akong kapila guys sa tagilid man na siya. Kung ang tripod so di man tagilid ang video. Kaya matingala mo guys. Inday Chelma sa gilid man na imong video tagilid pud may mo tan-aw maghana sad may magtan-aw. I try my best to do my duty. What? Don't tell me that you You forgot something there. What? You forgot something? There's no new mile hub, only Leclerc. Only house, kitchen, house, Leclerc. When we go down to out of Paris, maybe soon, when the baby is final. Look at our baby, guys. Look at our baby.
This one.
Look at our baby. Look at our baby, guys. I hear na lang. I put it there. You want to see camera also? Our camera is naman good. Uy, also the tripod. Maybe we buy new one next time. Kaya,
I'm going to keep this.
say bye-bye, my love. No, don't say bye-bye. We cannot end right now. Drive-thru, guys.
Je sais pas comment.
Nagura kami,
Huh?
guys, ng drive-thru.
Mais je suis en train de partir, moi. Le box avec les 3 poulets, vous ne connaissez pas ça?
Bucket avec poulet, c'est ça?
Hein?
La bucket avec du poulet, c'est ça?
Le sandwich.
Ah, le sandwich avec du poulet.
Voilà.
Tu as du poulet, c'est quoi, d'accord?
Benjamin.
Le hot wings. C'est souvent 3 hot wings avec. Avec. Hein? Mais il faut connaître le produit, non? Mais c'est.
Non, je ne connais pas, monsieur. On n'a pas de sandwich avec un hôtel à l'intérieur. Oui, rentre à l'intérieur.
Vous n'avez pas un box qui il y a un sandwich dedans avec.
Oui, je vois tout ça. Avec ton repas ici, un sandwich?
Oui.
D'accord.
Bah, il y a aussi 3 ou c'est crusty au fromage dedans.
Petit fromage.
Voilà.
Des tenders ou des wings, du coup?
Non, il dit hot wings.
Ok.
Non, il n'a rien. Mais normalement, c'est 10 € et quelques. Hein? Pourquoi vous savez?
Avec les wings, ça sera 0,9. Sinon, si vous voulez à 10 €, ça sera
Benjamin.
Pardon?
Ça sera les tenders avec les à 10 €, ça sera les tenders. Pour les wings, c'est à 13 €.
Ok, n'a pas de problème.
Vous prenez ça?
Ouais.
D'accord. Ça sera tout?
Ouais, c'est tout. Ouais.
13,40 €.
Merci. Oh, how can you be said you're working in
Not know, my love?
eh?
French?
No, they don't know their products. You have to explain. Eh?
Yeah, you have to tell a lot box there. Maybe there are a lot of
No,
box.
there are no locks. This one is a new product. There are no box. Now he's telling me that is.
Kaya pag may magbayad kayo dito, mag-order, guys. Ay, dito ka mag-order, dito magbayad. Tapos, dito na po nila i-release ang pagkaon. Kaya ko na lang sa nawong. Nasa man naliwat ng nawong nga na yun, guys. Napadari guys, ulam yan. Nasa may pagpagamay of nawong, guys, na nawong ni mo ba? Para mo gamay lang dyan yung nawong, guys. No? Kaya pang pagamay sa nawong, guys. My husband, I don't buy 2, only 1. Because we have a lot of food in the house. I'm hungry naman, good guys. Sige, magbayad. No one alone when there is no I walk alone. Tapos kailangan dito magpataas og buhok ani guys para matabunan lang atong dakong nahong. Kay gibing ako sa akong slash guys bo. But hope Benjamin no, we're going to Philippines for Christmas. Benjamin no, hopefully next year na guys. Malab no, hopefully by the God grace. We're going Christmas next year, not now. If I'm working here, guys, hope that I can have work here. Those one dari mag-release guys araw. Gi-release na dari ang pagkaon. Dara dito mag-order, dari magbayad tapos dari ka mag-release sa pagkaon. Guys, I really love me, huh? Because I have camera.
I will check it now. Check it because those people I don't follow.
Eh, check natin guys dati. Because before, they're giving a different order. You are the witnesses guys that they are give me the right one. Because before, they have only in the... is the right one, my love.
But eh?
And burger.
Eh?
Burger.
Before we used to buy this thing, but
Burger and the hot wings. Yeah, in here. Man, I want to see the hot wings. Very hot. This is the correct, my love. My love. I'm eating it, okay?
yeah.
My husband really love me guys. It's hot. I'm gonna have. Run for it. One box lang guys because
Have you checked the box? What is inside?
burger, rice, and hot wings.
Oh, really? You have those small.
That's my round
Yeah.
when I check it. Because I saw it on the hot wings. Guys, see you later in the house, guys. In the guys, in the park. I want to show you guys that we are rich. We have car. Joke. If you have their car, guys, you're rich, guys.
You are going. There's another thing there.
Huh? Look at that.
Walking in the parking.
Huh? Hello, Benjamin. Walk.
My love, take us.
Hi, hello everybody. I miss my slash, guys. I will try to looking in Paris, guys, and how they are slash if they know how to slash here because sa Pinas man guni slash akong buhok. Kasi nang ko kayo slash kay matabunan akong lapad nga nahong. I don't know, bakit malapad ang mukha nito. Ang liog, asang liog, arang liog ipakita. Bahala na guys, uy. Basta importante buhi. Palag di kaya perfect atong pagka-shapes tong lawas atong now. Basta importante buhi. Banang hardworking. Akong bana, he carry those things. Actually, before guys, I'm the one to carry those things. We're together, but now I have my baby. Say hi. Hi guys, say hi ba? Hi everybody. Benjamin, say hi. Bonsoir. So heavy naman, Benjamin, buyag-buyag, wait.
Eh?
So heavy, buyag.
What?
Benjamin. Well, don't bring the ano my love. That KFC because it's strawberry ba? The drink. Ay, pass naman. Mamaya na guys ha. See you in the house. Okay. Bukat ni Benjamin buyag. Okay, it's summer na good here guys. And we need to like that good atong buhok guys. We need to tie. And Benjamin, it's time for him to give. Benjamin, are you happy? I give him lang happiness guys. Benjamin. Hoy. Benjamin, are you happy now? Oh. Are you happy? Huh? Benjamin, oh. Nagawan sana ko siya milk guys, no? Akong anak. And I'm eat now. And makalat pang bahay guys, later ko na ipakita. So, ipang ano sana ko i-arrange ang ipang kompra. So, ang title nito guys, kanyan kami mag-grocery sa France. Good for 1 month. Malit nga ni guys, oh. Kaya gano'n ko magtanaw guys, oh. Spoon. This is my husband because isa man color green. This is my red. Mapang-akit. Oil. Ito waffles. Ang good for 1 month lang, Andrigan, kaning is free. And kaning ang panganan o basura mo lang na siya ang good for 1 month. Mag-grocery me guys, good for 1 month. Nag-estimate na mo siya guys. Kaya ganyan dito sa France guys. Iniisip nila dito yung mga grocery nila, yung mga bills nila. Iniisip-isip pa yung mga luho guys. Walang ganyan dito guys. Kailangan mo Sikap dito guys. Hindi nyo lang kailangan kumain ka lang dito. Hindi pwede yan. France ito guys. Europe. Ito. And then, ito is ito good one, mat guys. Of course, kainin to today. Mahurot naman ko puma. Ito, at saka, itong coffee guys, good for 1 month siya for sure. Kay, ano man kanang ginabutang mo, 2 kutsara lang guys niya, among ginabutang sa coffee maker. Mara na ako good for 1 month guys. Mag-dinner first muna ako guys. Kaya akong bala guys, nagluto pa mo siya guys. Binasita niya guys. Nagluto pa siya guys. Sarap. So, I cannot show you whole because I am Jackson ni Abby guys. Ayaw niya ipakita yung kanyang katawan. My love, no? You don't like to show your body without clothes. But it's not Muslim guys. In his believer. Oh, my love, be careful. My love, work from home. Oh, anak guys, so what na, nagma-urge na. Oh, Benjamin, doon maoy na. We buy the GoPro camera. Benjamin, don't like that, right? I need long to like this, my hair guys. It's so hot na guys, summer here. I need to clip my hair, but I want that my hair guys like that so that it's not too much like that big. Don't cry because I'm doing vlog. My husband guys, he don't want to cook because there are mga good some food that he like to cook. Rice guys no, kaya among gipalit man ka ng 1 box. Mao ni siyang 1 box guys na the correct order. Because sometimes they don't give the correct order guys. This one no. This is the correct order, this one. I'm thankful guys no, kaya I'm finished little bit to upload those on my video even when we are in the Philippines before. And I'm thankful guys kay gikip na ko lang ang mga video kay i-upload na ko ba kay for the views. Kaya need ba ako mag-upload everyday guys? Di pa mi always magawas kay akong anak kamaoy. Di mi always magawas. Yeah, I'm scared man to go out without my husband because we don't know around there and I'm alone to bring my son. We need to save guys done sorry. We need to be careful. Ako sa ni ipan guys. Don't worry, that's background guys. I removed that one. I just speak English guys. No, kaya I'm telling to you na my husband is speak English so that he understand what I'm saying. So I will know naman that all Filipino they understand English. Kaya lang guys, pinupuna talaga tayo bakit tayo nag-English ang ua-ua. Kasi nga, yun na nga guys, my husband is a foreigner. He don't speak Bisaya. So, we need to speak English so that he understand what I'm saying here. And I know naman nga guys, those Filipino, you understand an English. So, it's okay lang I speak English here. So, ako saan initon sa microwave guys. Karon 1 box. Okay, gutom na ako dugay. Pag magsabi mga magluto niya. There have some food guys he like to cook. Like African cook, that okra soup. Yan yung ginakain guys when I was in pregnant, my love, no? And when I was given the pasta guys because the okra is sliding. Panita man. Pag di ba guys sa Philippines, kadi ginahimo man nato rig juice. Kaya kay ginahimo na mong fruits. So kaon, iba to man yung ginakod-kod tapos ginahimo na tong juice. Kaya kay so na mo kaon. Na-allow talaga guys. Need talaga ito ng knife. Ito sa guys nainit na siya sa microwave. Don't worry the background guys kasi nga I know how to remove that sounds. Guys. Only lang one guys. Only one chicken. Minaano ni Dikay ba na girl scout? Ano plato na? Ako siya kapasabal.